हाय फ्रेंड्स, हाल ही में मैंने मूवी देखी इमरजेंसी, सो क्विक रिव्यू करती हूँ मूवी इमरजेंसी का। पर्सनली आई फेल्ट वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड विद द मूवी बिकॉज since the subject emergency has been the most controversial and kind of blot on our nation, so I thought this subject will get a better treatment, and I had a lot of thoda sa zyada expectation I had, so what's the big deal, but it failed. Anyway, the second point, if I talk about acting, this is the first time I saw Kangna doing acting wala acting, so it was again unexpected. And the supporting cast, I felt they are imposing themselves on audiences, and कहीं भी से आ जाते थे, कहीं भी चले जाते थे, so they would use as fillers in the movie, so that kind of connectivity was not maintained in the movie. Then in fact Sam Manik Shah का बहुत कम रोल मिलिंद सोमन का है, and then the only part I think जो वो I don't remember his name, but Indira Gandhi's son Sanjay Gandhi, he did a great job in the movie. That was the fantastic acting done by him, but apart from that nothing as such. And yes, numerous use of this jump cut, random use of jump cuts, in fact heavily use of jump cuts, तो वो बहुत बुरा कर दिया है मूवी में. उससे we felt disconnected, audience felt disconnected with the movie, because every now and then you see something, some incident coming in, and then something else pitching in, and there's no connection with them. That was the most worst part of the movie. Anyway, if I talk about the positive, yeah, the kind of costume designing was done, that was great. In fact, Kangana's saris, they were of course very nice and superb, and in fact costumes of other supporting cast were great. BGM was good, बैकग्राउंड स्कोर बहुत अच्छा है, और इसके अलावा गाने भी अच्छे हैं, एक दो गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं. But overall, I can't say that even if it is one-time watch, but okay, I have seen it, so I'm telling you this. If you want to check me out, please watch or trust me.